Hey everybody, welcome back to Mobile Production, and today we're going to do a little video, not a long one this time. This is just a test. I want to test out the big 5 of the anamorphic lenses. That would be Moondog Labs, Moment, Sandmarc, Beastgrip version 1, and the Beastgrip version 2. So here's a test, and we'll be right back. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mobile Production. This is a test for the anamorphic lenses. The first lens up is the Moondog Labs 1.33 anamorphic lens. This is just a test. Hey everybody, we are back with test number 2. This is the Moment Anamorphic Blue 1.33 anamorphic lens. This is just a test. This is test number 3. We are using the Sandmarc 1.33 anamorphic lens. This is just a test. This is test number 4. This is with the Beastgrip anamorphic lens, version 1. This is the 1.33. This is only a test. This is the last test. This is the Beastgrip anamorphic 1.33 Mark II lens. This is only a test. Let's go down and see what the results are. And we're back. So what'd you guys think? Did you think there was a big difference? Did you like one lens more than the other? Did you pay attention to the details on the sides? Did you pay attention to the focus? The focus is a little different on some of them. My opinions are the Moondog Labs is a solid lens. The focus is a tad softer than the Beastgrip lenses. I will tell you right now, the 2 Beastgrip lenses are my favorite. The Beastgrip version 2 has a slight improvement over the focus on the edges if you look at some of the stuff on the shelving. The Moment is very solid. The Sandmarc to me seemed like the last place, and the only reason is that whole lens has a yellow tint to it, and I don't know why. I did multiple tests besides just this one. I don't know, it just looked a little yellow to me and that kind of turned me off. So all the settings were the same. I used Filmic Pro. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Until next time, that's all I got.